Hi for another video from Arizona Hot Homestead. Thanks for tuning in, Jeff, Arizona Hot Homestead. Today's video, we're going to cover some Ryobi tools that I picked up. I've had some for a while, others I just recently got, so let's take a look at some Ryobi stuff I got. So this video is on this Ryobi tool here. This is a, what is it? It's a high pressure inflator, high volume auto shut off. It's basically a pressure inflator. It's an inflator. Uses Ryobi. So I bought this. Ryobi didn't send it to me because they don't like me. I actually got this as a free gift, as a free tool when I purchased this kit here. Ryobi was running a deal, or at Home Depot, so you buy that and you got this free. This is only like 50 bucks or whatever, so it was free, so I figured I'd pick it up. It's a 18 volt dual function inflator deflator. Here's your model number for some of you folks. Some bathroom literature comes with it. I haven't even read this. Here's a battery. I have not even done anything with this yet, so we'll see how this works. So here's your screen, or here's your deal. Looks like here there's a mode with an on button, a start stop. This here's for your pressure and stuff. See, that's a mattress, that's a tire. See, here's this guy here. Here's your stuff there. I don't know how long that is. That looks like it's about 2 feet. Then there's a warning deal on that. I don't know why they do that. Probably a legal thing. Alright, so it does tell you a little bit about turn on, select the mode. What does it say? Turn on, press mode until arrow points to high volume, attach the volume hose, press start and stop. So it kind of gives you directions as to exactly how to do it. There's some more information over here too. High pressure mode. Attach. Well, this one's for the other side of the tire. Take your battery, pop it in there. Sits kind of nicely. I like the way it sits. See what happens when we play around with it. Like I said, I haven't done anything with this. So there's our on button. I don't know how well you can see it. Right now the arrow is pointing to the tire. The PSI is at 0. See, and I can adjust that. I guess that will, oh, I see. Well, let's read the instructions. So the arrow is pointing over here to the tire, so I can just increase my pressure. Like, let's say I want to do a 36 pounds for a tire. Whoop, there's 45 pounds. Do the arrow down, 36, and then I hook this on, and then I say start. And there you go. And then this other side, like I said, I haven't even done anything with this yet. This other side is more for, what hose is this? Let's see if I can get this hose off. So this one, and this is a small hose. It's only maybe about 12 inches. It's kind of So it goes inside like maybe a mattress. And yet it comes off so it can go on like that. So I guess on some mattresses it will just slip in there. Others you can do this so you can get that further inside. So we'll change the mode. So now the arrow is pointing towards the mattress. Had to read the instructions. So the arrow is pointing out towards the mattress. I don't need to really do these here. So then you just start stopping. And you're done. I kind of like this. So the maximum PSI on this thing is 150 PSI. Yeah, the high pressure hose is 24 inches, the other one is 12. But yep, I got this. I like it. I'll put a link down in the description field to one of my Amazon links, my affiliate links, and that way you can, if they have it in there, great. If not, then I'm sure there's other battery operated tools as well, inflators. So thanks for watching. So there you go, another video about some Ryobi tools that I use here on the homestead. So hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, share button and all that good stuff, and see if I have fun.